Hello and welcome to the second geostatistics course for beginners with QGIS and R. This course is about exploratory data analysis and the main topic is going to be Bivariate analysis. This second course is a continuation of the first course that it was also related to exploratory data analysis, but in this first course we was talking about univariate analysis. I highly recommend to watch this first course before to take the second one. You can access to this course totally free at the Geo RGB YouTube channel. As you can see here, you have from lesson 1 to lesson 9. This is a course with about 5 hours of content, and here at the YouTube you only can watch the videos, but if you want to download the scripts that we are using in QGIS, you can go to the website, to the Geo RGB community at gscourse.online, then go to courses, get enrolled in this course, and then for each lesson you have an attachment that you can download and you are going to have the scripts that we are using. Now let's go to start with the second course, and the first lesson is going to be an introduction about the scatter plot. The first thing that we are going to do is create a script with R in QGIS to draw a scatter plot like this one. Then we are going to plot the data related to the groundwater dataset. In this case, what we are going to plot is the x coordinate against the groundwater elevation. Then we are going to see what kind of information we can extract from the scatter plot. Then we are going to be talking about the direction, distribution, strength, and form. And also we are going to see how it is important to understand the data that we have at the scatter plot to make a proper mathematical models related to kriging and co-kriging interpolation. Then we are going to be talking about regression, coefficient of correlation, and we are going to see also the trend. It is going to be just a general view, right? An introduction, because we are going to see all these concepts in different lessons in this course, but just to start and to have a little bit an idea about the information that we can get in the scatter plot. Later we are going to see the script to create this fantastic graph where we have the scatter plot and also we have the marginal histogram for both parameters. Then we are going to plot the zinc concentration against the lead concentration, and we are going to analyze the data in this graph. Also, we are going to analyze the data in this other graph. Then this one, it is related to the Meuse River data set with the contaminated soils, and this one is related with the groundwater. This course is not going to be available in YouTube because it is a paid course. Then if you want to have access to the course, just go to the Geo RGB community website at gscourse.online, then press on courses, then select the course, is this one. And as you can see, the initial price for this course is $30, but this price is going to change. At the moment, the course only has one lesson, and I'm going to be adding lessons, one per week approximately, and when I finish to add all the lessons, the price of the course is going to increase. To open the course, I'm going to offer a coupon of discount. This promotion is going to be available from June 24th to July 5th, and in total it is going to be 30 coupons, and the discount is going to be $10. Then the promotion is going to finish at the 5th of July or for the first 30 people. Okay, then to apply that promotion, add to the cart, Then here you can add the code that is going to be geostat2. Then select the code, apply the code, and as you are going to see, you are going to have here a discount of $10. Then you can proceed with the checkout. Then the only thing you have to do is just fill all this information and select what is going to be the payment. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you are going to enjoy with this course, and see you on the next lesson.